Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll show you how to add story highlight in Facebook to using your smartphone. At first, open the Facebook app, click on three dot menu bar, and now click on your profile. And now you can see the three dot option beside the edit bar. Just click here and click on the third option, achieve, and now click the story achieve. Now you can see your all archive video or picture in here. Now you select here and you see the highlight in down and click here. Now click the new bar and this video you can save it, and this video is in now in highlight. Now you can check it and you can see your highlight video is show here.